If you're trying to get a Netflix free trial but can't find it, or if you're only seeing a 7-day or 14-day offer, stick around. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock a full 30-day free trial. After 6 long years, Netflix has finally brought back its 30-day free trial, but only for selected new users in specific regions. I'll show you how to bypass those restrictions and claim yours right now. If you open the official Netflix site normally, you won't see any trial offer. To fix this, go to your browser settings and open the extensions page. Make sure to turn on developer mode in the top right. Now, click on Load Unpacked and select the custom extension folder which you can download directly from my Telegram channel. Once it's loaded, click on the extension icon to open it. Once the extension pop-up is open, type in your email address and click on Launch Offer. The extension will automatically redirect your browser and, as you can see, the Netflix trial offer is now showing up on the screen. Let me show you exactly why this extension is necessary. First, I'll clear my browser cookies. If we load the page now, it only offers a 7-day trial. Let's clear cookies one more time. And now it tells us we only get 14 days. But we want the full month. To get it, simply open the extension again, enter your email, and click Claim Offer. It redirects us instantly, and boom, there is our official 30-day free trial. If you want to grab exclusive deals and working tricks like this before they get patched, make sure you join our Telegram channel right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update. See you guys in the next video. Bye.